Okie dokie. In this problem, they tell us to use the trapezoidal rule with n equals 3 to approximate the integral from 9 to 10 of 5x squared plus 3x dx. So this is nothing we have not seen yet, so let's just jump into it. We'll do x in the first row and y in the second row with the x value starting at 9, since 9 is the first value for the bounds on the integral. And then we want to split up the interval of 9 to 10 into 3 equal parts. So we do equals. We do 10 minus 9, which is 1, divided by 3, which is 1/3, or 0.33333. So 0.3 repeating will be the width of each trapezoid. So we do equals B1 plus 0.3 repeating. All right. And we click and drag this until it says 10. So we just have a few x values here, and we will just plug in the function given into this cell. So the function is 5x squared plus 3x. And so we will do 5 times x, which is b1, raised to the second, plus 3 times b1, which is x. Hit enter, click and drag this corner across, and we will use all 4 of these values here in the trapezoidal rule. Keep in mind, trapezoidal rule was 0.5 times the width in this case, which was 0.3 repeating. I'll just do a bunch of 3's. And then times, in parentheses, we want the first height, plus 2 times, in parentheses, the sum of the middle heights, close off some parentheses, and then finally add on that last height of 530 from E2, close off that final parenthesis. So we close off the heights here, hit enter, and they found a typo. I think it was probably just, what was it? Oh yeah, I didn't use an asterisk right after that 0.5. Okay, so regardless, we hit yes, and that is 480 if we round to the nearest integer. And that's pretty much it. So let's go and do a second example. I will go ahead and start up a new Excel. All right, let's jump right into it. So same exact approach, just slightly different function. So we're starting at x equals 7, going up to 8, but with 4 equal subintervals. So 1/4 will be our, let's try that again, equals 1 divided by 4. So 0.25 will be the width of each trapezoid here. So we will do equals B1 plus 0.25 to get 7.25, and we click and drag this until we have 8. So 7 to 8 split up into 4 subintervals. And now we plug in the function here. So we'll do just a giant 1 divided by, in parentheses, 3 times x squared. X is b1, so we squared that. 3b1 squared plus 1. Close that parenthesis and then hit enter. That's the y value for that corresponding x value. Click and drag across. And again, trapezoidal is 0.5 times the width, which is 0.25, times the heights, which we do 1 times the first one, plus 2 times the sum of all the in-between ones. Close off, and then close off the parentheses, and then we add on that last height right here. All right, we close that off, and then we get to point to 00592. 00592 matches the answer we have here. If you have any questions, please let me know. I hope this helps.